Hi everyone, we're looking at Ontario Utiliac folding knives. Those two knives are designed by the guy called Joe Pardue. Let's take a close look at this one. The blade material is R8 and the length is 3.2 inch. The knife overall length when it's open is 8 inch. When it's at a closed position, the length is 4.8 inch. Weight's about 5.4 ounce. I think those two knives are very good. The only difference between this one and this one is this knife has the black coating on the blade. Everything else is same. Let's go back to this one. Let's go take a close look. Utiliac, and the handle is made of Zytel frame lock. The pocket clip can be carried tip down, tip up, left and right, so it has 4 positions. And this comes with knife. You can take it off if you don't need it. The blade shape is very wide, so it's good for EDC or like cooking preparation. I think it's sexy too. Very nice blade. Take a look at this one. Basically everything is the same except the coating, black coating on the blade. Okay. And the material. See, for this one, I leave the pocket clip on the top. But for this one, as I carry, I use this one more often, so I change it to tip down carry. Frame lock as well. It just holds very nicely in hand. There's those two. It's good. The blade design is very nice. I bought those two on Amazon.com. When I bought those, the price was around $15 to $17, but now the price goes up to around $20. But still a good buy. I think if you wait long enough, the price might change. I'm not so sure, but at the $20, those two knives are perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll have the item link for those two knives below. Thanks.